Right, ma? So, good afternoon, all of you. Yes, Hemavati, that Sari Sai is mystic. Okay. Right, ma? So, how many members present today? Right. I can start now. Right, last topic in second chapter, that is the fifth one. What is that? Capacitors. What is that? Capacitor. Right, yesterday I have given first one. What is that? What is capacitor? Next one, how does a capacitor can work? That is the principle of capacitor. Next, third one. What is the third one? Types of capacitor. Next, fourth one, capacitance. Next, fifth one, parallel plate capacitor. Next, sixth one, so combination of capacitor. Capacitors. Next, energy stored in capacitor. So like that I have total for 6 topics, 7 topics are there, right? So this many members are there. Right, ma'am? So capacitor is nothing but it is the device which can store the huge amount of charge. And also remember, so capacitor is having two conductors, ma'am. Capacitor is made up of two conductors. Capacitor is made up of two conductors. So like that only. So this is the parallel plate capacitor, or else so two spherical conductors, or else two cylindrical conductors. Cylindrical conductors. Any two conductors. This is the first conductor, this is the second spherical conductor. So this is the cylindrical conductor, this is the parallel plate capacitor. So these two conductors are separated by a dielectric medium. These two conductors are separated by a dielectric medium is known as capacitor. Yesterday also I given already, right? So how does capacitor can work? So we want to supply huge amount of capacitor to a conductor plate so that the conductor plate will get capacitance. That means we want to increase the capacitance of a capacitor. We want to increase the capacitance of a capacitor. That means conducting plate. That conducting plate, the charge we want to increase. Correct or not? So that is known as working. That means principle. Right. Next one. Types of capacitor. There are three types are there. So first one is what is that? Parallel plate capacitor. Second one is spherical capacitor. And third one, cylindrical capacitor. That means parallel means we can use parallel conductors. The two conductors are parallel. So that is known as a parallel plate capacitor. So this is the electric field is moving from where to where? Positive to negative. So now here spherical conductor, that means two spheres are there here. Two spheres. like that will be. That is the spherical conductor. Next to two cylindrical conductors. Cylinder will be there here. Two cylinders. Two cylinders is the cylindrical conductors. Cylindrical conductors. So these are the types of conductors. Next, symbol of capacitance. Let me will give that is. Right. Next one. So capacitance. Very important question. That is. So fourth question is 1 mark question. 1 mark. Define capacitance. Define capacitance. What is the meaning of capacitance? What is the meaning of capacitance? Right. Where charge is directly proportional to the its potential. That means we want to give you some charge with help of battery, with help of source, with help of source. That's what here. Charge is directly proportional to the potential of a source. Potential of a source. Okay, Raras? Q is directly proportional to the potential difference of a two plates. Potential difference of a two plates. The potential difference is more mean, so charge is more. Correct or not? So that Q is proportional to V. So now proportional constant we will consider as C. C into V, where C is equal to Q by V. Very important formula, where C is capacitance of a capacitor. Capacitance of a capacitor. What is the C? Capacitance. Therefore, capacitance is nothing but, we can define like that only. What is capacitance? It is the ratio. The ratio of charge on either plate to the potential difference between two plates is called capacitance. Is called capacitance. What is that? The ratio of charge on either plate to the potential difference between two plates is called capacitance. Very simple definition. Very important 1 mark question. Define capacitance. Okay. Rejoin. This is the definition. The ratio of charge on either plate to the potential difference between two plates is called capacitance. Is called capacitance. Right? Okay. So now that is the. Now we will discuss about capacitance, SI units and dimension formula, as well as symbol, everything we will discuss. So now first one is capacitance. That means here I have two plates. Is the first plate and is the second plate. Okay. So we are given with the help of battery. This is the battery source. Is the potential. So potential of a battery. Okay. So how much potential we want to give me? So the difference between these two potential and this potential. This is the potential between plates. Potential between plates. This is the potential of a battery. Potential of a battery. So V battery is equal to V plates. Up to there we want to supply potential. We want to apply potential to our system. So now what happened here? Completely positive charge will get. Is the completely negative charge will get. So here electric field move from where to where? Positive to negative, positive to negative. So here some medium will be there. This medium is dielectric medium. Dielectric medium. Dielectric medium, the charge is Q, the charge is minus Q. The charge is minus Q. So that now here, so what happened here? Capacitor directly proportional to the Q and inversely proportional to the V. So that here, so this is the potential V and the charge is C. So C is equal to Q by V. Like that I have given formula. I have given formula, right? I have given that formula. So now here, first I will give you a symbol of capacitance. Symbol of capacitor or capacitance. Symbol of capacitance. So that is a positive terminal. Yes, is a negative terminal, negative plate. Negative plate, not a battery symbol. Is the so positive, that means that line, this is this conductor. First conductor, second conductor connected to our battery. Our battery. See, remember ma. So both are having same length only. Both are having same length. So this is the symbol. Is a symbol of capacitor or capacitance. Symbol of capacitor. Symbol of capacitor. Symbol for capacitor. Very, very important symbol. Okay, for example, so this is the positive, this is the negative mean. So I have one of a capacitor. So capacitor, so we will give you in this direction. So this is the capacitor. Okay, this is the positive and this is the negative plate. Both are, so is the positive and the negative. So here completely dielectric medium. Is a completely dielectric medium. So one wire will come like that only. This is the one wire. This is the wire. So now here, for example, I will consider one wire. This is the one wire, and here I can arrange one of a bulb. So now bulb can glow or not. So nicely can glow. Nicely can glow. That's what here. What is it? Capacitor is the device. Capacitor is the device which can store the huge amount of charge. The charge can move from positive to negative. In that case, if I connect the battery between two terminals, so the bulb can glow. These capacitors we can use in the which were in the electronic devices. Okay, electronic devices. So if I see in the motherboard, in DVD player, as well as computer, yes or no, television, everywhere, there we are having so many bulb holder. Yes, that is a capacitor. Fan coil, it is there, no, fan coil round capacitor. That one also capacitor. Fan we are having. So this is the fan. Correct? So here coil will be there, top capacitor coil. Yes or no? Fan is super, very good. Correct or not? There one coil will be, that is a capacitor. Right? That is the what shape is that? Is cylindrical capacitor. Remember, cylindrical capacitor. So that's what here capacitors are in different shape will be there. So what is that? Cylinder shape capacitors, and spherical shape, sphere shape, and like that will be there. So like that. So like that will be there. Cannot it start high voltage, sir? It is at low potential. Remember, at low potential, which is works at a low potential. It is having high charge but low potential. Inversely proportional only. Na? C is equal to Q by V. V is the low potential. Remember, ma. Capacitor is the device which can store the huge amount of charge at low potential. At low potential. If you give high potential, what happens? It can blast. Alright? Okay. So this is the symbol of capacitor. Symbol of capacitor. After that, we will enter into SI units. We will enter into SI units. Right. SI unit of capacitance. So what is the formula? Capacitance formula. So Q by V, right? Q by V. So small q also no problem, capital Q also no problem. So Q by V. So what is the SI unit? SI unit of charge is coulomb. Correct? Then V is volt. Is nothing but a farad. Is nothing but a farad. Remember everybody. So that farad is what? Coulomb by volt. Coulomb by volt. Coulomb by volt. 1 farad is equal to 1 coulomb by 1 volt. 1 farad is equal to 1 coulomb by 1 volt. So that's what here we will give you one definition also. What is that? What is 1 coulomb? Sorry, 1 farad. 1 farad. If 1 coulomb of charge, if 1 coulomb of charge, 1 coulomb of charge given to the capacitor, given to the capacitor, given to the capacitor, okay, rises potential difference by 1 volt. Potential difference by 1 volt is called 1 farad. Simple definition only. What is that? 1 coulomb of charge given to the capacitor. Okay na? So it rises potential difference by 1 volt is called 1 farad. 1 volt is called 1 farad. Generally 1 farad is equal to 1 coulomb by 1 volt. 1 coulomb by 1 volt. That means 1 coulomb of charge given to a capacitor, the potential difference can rises 1 volt. I have given 1 coulomb of charge to a capacitor. In that case, the potential rises 1 volt. 1 volt. In that time, I will say the capacity is the capacitance how much? 1 farad. Capacitance is how much? 1 farad. Right? Okay. Still, we are having smaller units. Smaller units. That means here 1 microfarad. Why? Because coulomb is the very small unit. The very small charge we will consider. Charge is very small quantity only. There are other types of capacitor like ceramic capacitors. Okay. So nanofarad and picofarad. Picofarad. Okay na? So microfarad 10 power minus 6 farad. Nano means 10 power minus 9 farad. 10 power minus 12 farad. 10 power minus 12 farad. Like that we are having some types. One, that means smaller units. 1 microfarad, 1 nanofarad, 1 picofarad. Picofarad. These are the smaller units. Similarly, we are having dimensional formula. Now dimensional formula of capacitance. Right. So what is SI unit? SI unit is coulomb by volt. Coulomb by volt. Correct ba? Coulomb by volt. So coulomb is what? A-T. Correct? So now dimensional formula of C. Capacitance. This C is coulomb. Coulomb is what? A into T. Volt is what? Volt is equal to joule by coulomb. Remember, volt is nothing but joule by coulomb. So joule by coulomb. Coulomb goes to numerator, right? Let us write this one. So this is joule by coulomb. Remember everybody, volt is equal to joule by coulomb. Work done by charge only na. What done by charge? So AT, A square and T square. Joule, M, L square, T power minus 2. So that M power minus 1, L power minus 2 goes to numerator, becomes plus M power 4, A power 2, A square. Is the dimensional formula. And last and final, it is scalar. Why? Because this is the just ratio one in a Q by V. It is the ratio. It is the ratio of Q by V. Q also scalar quantity, V also scalar quantity. The scalar by scalar is nothing but scalar only. But not like that. So this is the ratio. Charge by volt. Charge by potential. Charge by potential. Okay. So next, very important 3 mark question. Very important 3 mark question. First 3 mark question in the capacitor. Total 3 questions are there. Total 4 questions. Right. So first one, derive an expression for capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor. Parallel plate capacitor. Okay, in the presence of air. In the presence of air. In vacuum. This is the additional. Okay, in vacuum. That is the additional word only. Why? Because later I will tell that is. So parallel plate capacitor. So parallel plate capacitor. Parallel plate capacitor is having a different formula. That means different value. Spherical shape capacitor is having different value. And cylindrical capacitor is having different value. Okay, na? Different capacitors are having different. That means so capacitance is having so some factors affecting on the capacitor. Factors affecting on the capacitor. Before this question, so one question I will give you. So what is that? So one important question, that is capacity of an spherical, okay, isolated sphere, capacity of an isolated sphere. Isolated sphere, right? So now I will consider here one of a sphere. One of a sphere I will consider. Right? One of a sphere. So now I will consider isolated positive charge, having positive charge. This is having positive charge. Right? This is the, so what is that? So positive charge will be there here. Positive charge from here to here. Radius is, I will consider R only. Radius is equal to R. Okay. So now here some charge Q will be there. We want to bring the charge from here to here. Or else some charge Q naught will be there. Q naught will be there. Q naught we want to bring from here to here. So the distance between from here to here, how much? R distance will be there. So potential on the surface. Potential on the surface. Potential on the surface is what? V. Potential on the surface is V. What is the V formula? V is equal to K into Q by R only, na? Did you remember this formula? Potential at a point charge. Potential at a point charge, right? So V is equal to K into Q by R. So everything is fine. Now capacitance. Capacity C is equal to formula Q by V, right? Q by V. So instead of V, you can put this one only. Yes, I can substitute that. C is equal to Q only. V is equal to Q by R. So R get cancelled. Therefore, C is equal to R by K. See that capacity do not depends on charge, do not depends on potential. It is a depends on, so the size of the object, and K is the proportional constant. What is that K value? So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into R. So this is the one important formula, remember. C is equal to 4 pi epsilon naught into R. That means C is directly proportional to the size and shape of the object, and C is proportional to the medium. Okay, so that's what here. One small question. What is that? One small question. Capacity of the earth. Capacity of the earth. So earth radius is equal to R only. Correct only na? So therefore, now I want to capacity. What is the capacity formula? Capacity formula C is equal to 4 pi epsilon naught into R. So capacity of earth. Okay. So this is a 4 pi epsilon naught is equal, what is that? 1 by 9 into 10 power 9. Correct? K what is that is? 1 by K. K value how much? 9 10 power 9. So into R, radius of earth. How much? 6.4 into 10 power 6. So 9, 6, 3 will come. So therefore 6.4 by 9 into 10 power. So 64 by, I will give you minus 4. Now if you do calculation, you will get a 711 microfarad. 711 microfarad. Remember one question. What is the capacitance of earth? How much? 711 microfarad. So that's what generally factors of capacitor. Factors affecting the capacitance. What is that? It is the depends on size and shape and the medium. This point you can remember, general point. This is factors. Right. Now question, very important question. What is that? Derive an expression for capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor. Derive an expression for capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor. Okay. So now I will consider parallel plate capacitor. This is the parallel plate capacitor. Two conductors. Capacitor is made up of two conductors only. Okay, so this is the conductor. So this is having positive charge. Is the first plate. Is the having negative charge. So this is the second plate. This area of cross section is A. This area of cross section is A. So electric field is acting going in this direction. This is the electric field. Right? Between dielectric medium will be there. That is the air. Is the dielectric medium will be there. That is, I took that air. Is the air or vacuum. Okay, dielectric medium. Right. So now this surface charge density, the charge is minus Q, the charge is plus Q. This surface charge density sigma is equal to minus Q by A. This surface charge density sigma is equal to plus Q by A. Q by A. Therefore, I will select here point 1, point 2 and point 3. Point 1 and point 2 and point. That means at point 1, what is the electric field? Net electric field, remember. At point 2, what is the net electric field? At point 3, what is the net electric field? Here, 3. Third point. You know already. So this side. So E can act, that is I will consider E dash. E dash can act with respect to this one, that side only. E dash is repelled by positive charge. Correct? E dash is repelled by this one, E dash attracted by this one. Similarly, E dash is attracted by this plate and E dash is repelled by this plate. Already I explained this concept. Therefore, here E net is equal to how much? E net is 0. Here E net is 0. Then here, so E dash is attracted by this plate. Okay, and E dash is attracted, repelled by this plate. So at point 3, both are acting in the same direction. Both are acting in the